Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by gathering ingredients and exact measures. 2 cups elbow macaroni, 1 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sweet pickle relish, and 1/4 cup chopped green olives. Add 2 hard-boiled eggs, 1/4 cup diced pimiento, and 1/2 cup finely diced onion. For seasoning use 1 tsp adobo, 1/2 tsp sazon, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 finely. Bring a pot of salted water to a rolling boil and cook 2 cups elbow macaroni 8 to 10 minutes until al dente. Drain and rinse under cold water to stop cooking and cool the pasta. In a separate saucepan, hard-boil 2 eggs for 10 minutes, then transfer to ice water for 5 minutes, peel and chop coarsely. Reserve 1/4 cup of the pasta water before draining in case you need to thin the dressing when you fold in the mayonnaise. Combine cooled macaroni, chopped eggs, diced pimiento, olives, onion, and sweet pickle relish in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, mix 1 cup mayonnaise with reserved pasta water as needed to reach a creamy, tossable consistency. Then add 1 tsp adobo, 1/2 tsp sazon, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Fold the dressing into the salad until evenly coated. Chill the macaroni salad 2 to 4 hours so flavors meld. Then adjust seasoning and serve cold, garnished with paprika or extra pimiento.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.